I'm Dr. Matt Singler, host of the Ninjapractor show. Thanks for tuning in today. And if you like what you see, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I'm going to show you what it's like to visit the chiropractor, the different modalities that we do, and what it's like to get cracked and popped. Stay tuned and enjoy.
All right, let's scoot down a little bit. Okay. Definitely out of place right there. That's where it's the worst, isn't it?
Yeah.
Alright, let's take a big deep breath.
Okay, it's kind of hard to breathe.
No worries. We'll just sit it down. Okay. And big deep breath. Breathe out. Alright, does that feel okay?
Yeah.
Man, that was stuck.
Oh my god.
I think we're just gonna need to have you come in regularly after I get you back to normal.
Yeah, I'm thinking the same. I might have to come back for this.
One more deep breath. Breathe out. Got it. Alright.
Get up.
Yep. Let's go ahead and sit up.
Oh my god.
How's that feel?
Alright. Oh man.
A little better?
Yeah.
Shockwave over the muscles, okay? That'll help to relax them, help to increase blood flow, and help them to heal a little faster. So we're gonna go ahead and pull your shirt up. So let's go ahead and bring this up.
This is from the heating pad. I don't know if that's normal or not.
Like a rash.
It doesn't affect me. It just
This looks like petechiae, so it's just like blood vessels kind of showing themselves.
Is that normal?
Yeah, it's nothing to worry about.
Okay, I was getting a little worried. Is this that same machine we used last time?
This is the tapping one.
Don't remember. Kind of burns or no?
It feels like a little stinging.
Okay.
So the laser, I think, is what you were
Oh yeah.
remembering. This is not the laser. This one kind of feels like it's a little zappy. Alright, kind of worse in here.
Sorry.
Is this the worst area?
No, like more towards you.
This side more?
Yeah, but up a little. Up more. Like right in there.
Okay. On both sides or more so
Just the
on the
one.
left? Right there?
Yeah.
Alright.
So, in this visit, what I did today is we did shockwave therapy. Shockwave is a ballistic type of therapy that fires a little projectile against a metal drum. And what that does is it sends a sound wave, and that disrupts different types of connective tissue that are growing between joints. It helps to increase blood flow into tissues that are needing to heal. And then after I did that, I went ahead and I provided cold laser. So what cold laser does is it also helps to speed the recovery of an injury, and it helps to decrease inflammation. After that, I went ahead and I provided a spinal adjustment to the thoracic spine. All of that provides a very powerful effect at relieving pain, speeding the healing process of an injury, and allowing somebody to move on with their day. Thanks for tuning in and watching today. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and watch our next video.